876 Streets.
Let me start off by saying thanks to 876 Streets for being here to shoot everything, capture everything, and for our closing statement. He's here once more with us to just close out the day as we thank all of our spectators and racers for coming out and supporting our first event for the year. It's early on the race calendar, but it was a good turnout. Racers and spectators came and witnessed some groundbreaking performance for a lot of these racers out here today. We saw a lot of personal best. The track prep was good and the weather conditions were ideal. So we're looking forward to a great year of racing and to just continue to build the brand. That's what we're doing. It was a lot of work put into getting this one to where it is, but in the end everything worked out and we're very grateful for the continued support of the racers. So we're looking forward to our next event on the 31st of March. So if you weren't here today and you captured some of the videos and pictures from 876, just keep supporting the movement and we will always be here to facilitate great drag racing here at Jamwest Speedway in Westmoreland. Thanks again everyone. 876 Streets, big up.